This video walks you through how to add a vendor in Wave. Begin by logging into your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu. From there, click Purchases, then select Vendors. This opens the area where vendor records are managed. On the Vendors page, click Add a Vendor. A new form will appear with the fields needed to create the vendor profile. Start with the vendor name. Enter the name you want this vendor to appear under in your records. This is the main identifier, so make sure it matches the name you want to use for tracking purchases and expenses. Next, select the vendor type. You will have two options here, regular or 1099 NEC contractor. Choose the one that fits the vendor you are adding. It is worth checking this field carefully before moving on, since it affects how the vendor is categorized in Wave. If the vendor has an individual contact name that applies, enter the first name and last name in the corresponding fields. If that information is not needed for this vendor, you can leave those fields as applicable based on the record you are creating. After that, select the currency for the vendor. Choose the currency that should be associated with this vendor for your transactions. Make sure this selection matches how you expect to record purchases from them. You can then enter the vendor's email address if you want to include it. If you do not have an email address to add, or if it is not relevant for the vendor record, move on to the next section. Now select the country and the province or state. These location fields help define the vendor's address details. Once those are set, enter address line 1, address line 2, city and postal or zip code if applicable. Fill in the information you have available and leave any non-required address fields blank if they do not apply to this vendor. If you want to include more details, click Enter Additional Information, which is optional. This expands the form so you can add any extra vendor information that you want to keep on file. If you do not need anything beyond the standard fields, you can skip this section. Before saving, review the vendor information on the screen. Check the vendor name, type, currency, contact details, and address information so everything is entered the way you want it. This is a good point to catch any incorrect category, spelling issue, or missing field. When everything looks correct, click Save. Wave will store the vendor record and return you with a new vendor added to your list. Your vendor is now added in Wave and saved to your vendors list.